Silicon wafer oxidation process. This process adds oxygen to a silicon wafer to form silicon dioxide on the wafer surface. The oxidation process is one of the most important thermal process in case of semiconductor chip manufacturing. Silicon reacts with oxygen very quickly and forms silicon dioxide on the silicon surface. The reaction can be expressed as shown in the equation. Figure illustrates the silicon oxidation process. In this figure, we can see the gaseous oxygen, then we can see the original silicon surface, and here is the native oxide layer. Silicon dioxide is a dense material that fully covers the silicon surface. To continue the oxidation of silicon, oxygen molecules have to diffuse across the oxide layer to reach the silicon atoms underneath and react with them. The growing silicon dioxide layer increasingly blocks and slows the oxygen. When bare silicon is exposed to the atmosphere, it reacts almost immediately with oxygen or moisture in the air and forms a thin layer about 10 to 20 angstrom of silicon dioxide called native oxide. The layer of the native oxide is thick enough to stop further oxidation of the silicon at room temperature. Request: it is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like button. Please subscribe this channel. यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है. In the oxidation process, oxygen comes from the gas phase and silicon comes from the solid substrate. Therefore, while silicon dioxide is growing, it consumes the substrate silicon and the film grows into the remaining silicon substrate as shown in figure. Oxygen is used as an oxidizer in processes such as thermal oxidation, CVD, and reactive sputtering deposition. It is also commonly used in etch and photoresist stripping processes. At high temperatures, thermal energy causes oxygen molecules to move much faster, which can drive them to diffuse across an existing oxide layer and react with silicon to form more silicon dioxide. Higher the temperature, the faster the oxygen molecules and the quicker the oxide film growth. The oxide film quality is better when grown at higher temperatures. Therefore, to get high quality oxide film and fast growth rate, oxidation processes are always performed in a high temperature environment, normally in a quartz furnace. Oxidation is a slow process. Even in furnaces hotter than 1000 degrees centigrade, a thick oxide greater than 5000 angstrom still takes several hours to grow. Therefore, oxidation processes usually are batch processes with a large number, 100 to 200 of wafers processing at the same time to achieve reasonable throughput. Request: it is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like button. Please सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है. This lecture series is in loving memory of my late wife, Mrs. Ambika Chadha, maiden name Pammi Mani.